Dr. Blumenthal back here, Natural Transplants, and we are up in the DC office, and we're thrilled to have Johnny back with us. Johnny, we saw you, last time we saw you was about a year ago.
Oh, yes, sir.
That was the day of the surgery, and you look a little different than you did back then. I think it looks awesome on you, man. Thank you for giving us sort of this update, a year update, but tell us how the year went, be honest.
Oh, it was a little nerve-wracking in the beginning, but after that, everything started to come in perfectly.
Okay.
So I'm very satisfied with the result that I got.
Good.
And if you guys are thinking about getting a hair transplant, I definitely recommend Dr. Blumenthal.
Thank you very much.
Awesome doctor.
Appreciate it.
And very nice.
Thank you. Thank you. So you had shared with me earlier that the center part took a little while to come in. That was sort of, you were getting a little nervous towards the end, which is very common. I talk a lot of guys off the edge around month 7 or 8 because they're a little nervous. But you said that was sort of the last to come in, the very front part.
Yes, the front part. It started to get thicker towards, I would say, 10 months in.
Okay.
11.
Yeah. And like we had mentioned, sometimes, yes, around 12 months is the average that most guys, sort of the growing stops, but some guys can go 13, 14 months. It's not too unusual. Looks great, man. So what I'm happy to do is we're going to kind of compare the before and after pictures. We're gonna upload the before pictures next to you. So go ahead and just put your head down just a little bit. Hold it nice and still for me. There you go, perfect. And then look up back at me again, and then look left or right. Pick a side, doesn't really matter. And then we're gonna do the left, right side, and then other way. It's really nice. Awesome, Johnny. Thanks, man.
Thank you, sir.
Appreciate you doing this. Words of advice for anybody other than coming to me. If you were talking to yourself, a year and a half ago, what would you tell yourself?
I would just do it.
Yeah.
Just don't even think about it too much.
Yeah.
The pain is not. It's not too bad.
Good. It's manageable.
Yes.
Good. That's usually how we describe it. Awesome.
Other than that, everything's perfect.
It's easy to tell someone that on this side of the fence, right? After it's like, just do it. But beforehand, it's not as easy to make that decision. But
before you do, you're like nervous.
I know, right?
About everything. Really, it's not too bad.
Good, awesome, Johnny. Appreciate it, man. This is fantastic, and thanks for showing your story.
Thank you.
Bye.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844-327-4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.